Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering prerequisites so the install runs cleanly. Make sure your OS and hardware meet minimums. This prevents driver conflicts. Once done, download the Voice Master installer and check the file integrity if available, because corrupted installers break setups. Next, enable microphone and audio permissions in system settings so the app can access inputs. Finally, quit other audio programs to free audio devices. This avoids locked resources and speeds the first launch. You now perform the core configuration. Run the installer as an administrator, then follow the on-screen prompts to install drivers and helper services. This ensures low-latency audio. Once installed, open Settings and choose your input and output devices. Set the sample rate to 44, 1K or 48K, and pick a buffer size for stability. Then build your voice profile by selecting a noise gate, compression, and an EQ preset. These shape clarity and presence in your recordings or streams. You finish by validating and automating your setup. Run a test recording and aim for peaks below 0 dB with sufficient headroom, because clipping ruins takes. Save your voice profile and enable launch at startup so settings persist, then map hotkeys for quick toggles. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Check for sample rate mismatches, update audio drivers, and verify USB microphone power. These 3 fixes resolve most dropouts and driver conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.